Hello and welcome to Solution News Inside Campus. I am your host Prabhakar Khawas from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. Today I bring you the updates on workshop series on women empowerment, focusing specifically on women from rural areas, particularly the tea garden workers at Intake Tea State Mall. News in details by Alia Anjum.
On December 16, 2023, Salesian College Sonada Women's Cell, in collaboration with Misho, organized a workshop series on women empowerment, focusing specially on women from rural areas, particularly tea garden workers at Intake Tea State Malat. Commencing around 11:30 am, the workshop began with the registration of attendees by faculty members and also the members of Women's Cell, Salesian College Sonada, Ms. Shreya Agarwal and Ms. Sophia Rai. Serving as the MCs were Ms. Ashwini Lama and Ms. Sainaz Nazneen. The program started with Father Bursar Raymond Tudu presenting a khada to Ma'am Jennifer George Lepcha, the resource person from Misho. The members of the Women's Cell offered khada to the participants and attendees. An opening dance by students of St. Anne's Convent, Don Bosco Mallet, added a delightful touch. Father Raymond Tudu delivered an inspiring speech, followed by Ma'am Jennifer George Lepcha addressing the core objectives of the program. She emphasized women's role in leadership, parental skills, and health and hygiene. The participants were engaged in different activities like games and interactive sessions, keeping the session lively. The participants were also asked to share their experiences during interviews. After an interval, the event continued with the distribution of certificates and gifts to the participants and a token of appreciation to the resource person Miss Jennifer George Lepcha by Father Raymond Tudu. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Ma'am Sainaz Nazneen. The success of the program was attributed to the collaborative efforts of locals, the Women's Cell of Salesian College Sonada, Misho, and the supportive sisters of St. Anne's Convent, Don Bosco.
That's all for today. See you in another episode of Inside Campus. With camera person Andana Rai, I am your host Prabhakar Khawas for Inside Campus. Thank you.